Hi there, in this video I will show you how to find your phone is linked with other devices. So for this, first of all, open the Google app. Once you open the Google bar, click on the Google on the top left corner. Now click on profile button and go to Google account. From here, you need to click on security. Okay, so let's go to security. Okay, so now here scroll down and there we have your devices option. Now click on manage all devices and there you will find all the devices where your account is logged in. Okay, so now we have one active session and two sign out sessions. So if it is signed in, simply click on it and there you will find sign out option. So you can simply click on sign out and you will be signed out. In this way, you can find if your device is linked with other devices. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.